Stork and Bear Company and Around the World Toys, and we're at 610 Main Street, right here on Frisco Main Street. Well, we're in our 25th year. We started in August of 1986, and just have started small and then just kept expanding as our customer grew and families grew in the county. Well, my husband, Bob, and I, we started our family. We were pregnant with our first child, and we found that there really wasn't anything, available in the county at the time. Of course, in 1986, that was before Walmart even arrived. We were before the outlet stores, and so we knew that a lot of other new parents-to-be were, heading down the mountain. Actually, when we started the store, most of the size of the store, actually half of the store was maternity in our little small space. So we really look for things that make moms kind of feel good about their bodies, feel fashionable, comfortable, and also that can take them through the duration of their pregnancy. Items that we've chosen are things that can go from work week to work, to the weekend. And we also have the nursing products, so we have our nursing bras, pumps, accessories, nursing tops, anything to help, again, have the mom feel more comfortable, not only during her pregnancy, but even afterwards. We have, many outfits that you can bring your little precious one home from the hospital in. We start with our newborn sizing, and then right up to actually size 14 for girls and 7 for boys. And we not only do our clothing, but we also have our shoes. We carry outerwear, and we feel like we're the experts in the infant and toddler category in that we dress them to be warm so that they can enjoy our outside environment. Sunglasses, we can't forget that, especially, no matter what the season, whether it's winter or summer, we need to protect their eyes. Our customers know us for things of quality and different ways of being able to play the creativity end of that particular toy. Every item that we choose, we look for things that has value. It has a specific need it's going to meet, whether it's a hat that has a nice sized brim to cut the sun or to keep them warm. It's also the quality pieces that can be washed over and over again and handed down from siblings to cousins to friends. And that's where I feel like Stork and Bear Company really sets itself apart. The pieces that I look for are things that can be played with in multiple directions, in multiple ways, and then also shared not only with their siblings, but also with their parents. We have games that start at the age 3, and those are really kind of that basic my turn, your turn, color identification, matching, very simple skills in a way, but actually very important skills. And then we move on into the older games, whether it's just a new twist on a game that can be arranged differently every time it's played, so it keeps the excitement there. And then older for more challenging, thought-provoking, forward planning type of games where they need to kind of have a direction. It's not unlike chess. And we try to find family games, especially not only in our area for a lot of our visitors that do want to meet around the table after a skiing day or a day out on the lake and just have some down quality time. So those are the things that we look for in our games. We also have brain games, I call them, just single person games where it's a brain challenge. And they are, it's from ages, usually from 8 up to an adult. Well, we carry organic toys from several companies, and it sets us apart because you're not able to find those specific things anywhere else really in the county. And for the customer that is looking for organic cottons, we carry that from Under the Nile Organics. And then for toys, we also carry several companies of wooden toys. And one is made in Germany and another is actually made in Vermont. We're at 610 Main Street in Frisco, Monday through Saturday from 10 until 6, and on Sunday from 11 to 4. I think it's not only is it the meeting of the new families and new grandparents to be, meeting the children, it's always great fun, but it's the the new product that's always, coming out. So whenever I go shopping and I'm at market, I'm always inspired by the creativity of others. So come by. We are very knowledgeable in all the product that we have, and many times the customer will come in and say, I don't know what to get. I'm shopping for a 7-year-old birthday. Can you help me? And of course, we go into action.
Thanks so much for joining me on this edition of Summit Magazine. If you missed anything or maybe want to see it again, make sure you log on to our website at tv8summit.com. In the meantime, happy holidays, and we'll see you next time.